DR Mills DM-7412M electric dried spice and coffee grinder, detachable cup, okay for clean it with water, blade and cup made with SUS 304 stianlees steel. Power 200W 120V 60 Hz, 2.5 ounces 70 grams capacity, yield up to 10 cups of coffee. Great for grind coffee bean, dried spices, nuts, and grains. ETL approval. BPA free. With brush for easy clean. Lid with viewing window. Blade, cup, and housing made with SUS 304 stainless steel, no rust. Detachable cup, okay for clean it with water. Cup and lid okay for dishwashing. Non-slip feet for safe use, with cord storage. Push top for easy operation. Make coarse and fine by operating different time. With the thermal switch, can work again after about 30-min rest if it stops by abnormal use. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.